Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study for You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Exclusion. An overview. Definition. Exclusion is the process by which individuals or groups are prevented from accessing public goods and services, leading to unequal social outcomes such as development, justice, and dignity. Causes of exclusion include social and state neglect, discrimination, violence, and cultural norms. Impact on education. Many children in India, including urban street children, women, Dalits, Adivasis, Muslims, and persons with disabilities, face educational exclusion. Migrating children and those displaced by conflict or living with HIV/AIDS also struggle to access education. Poverty exacerbates this issue, particularly in marginalized communities, leading to lower enrollment and higher dropout rates. Suspension vs. exclusion. Suspensio, temporary removal from school for a few days due to irresponsible behavior, aiming to support the student and protect the school community. Exclusion, more serious, longer-term removal due to severe or repeated misbehavior, potentially leading to permanent exclusion. Suspension process. Grounds for suspension include violence, illegal acts, harassment, and disruption. During suspension, a conference is held with the student, parents, and school staff to address the causes and create a development plan. Exclusion process. Exclusion involves a notice of intention and a conference similar to suspension but includes setting specific behavioral goals. If exclusion proceeds, the student may be moved to another school or program. Re-entry is planned based on achieving set goals. Nature of exclusion. Good behavior benefits all students, and schools focus on promoting positive behavior and self-discipline. Exclusion, either fixed term or permanent, is a disciplinary measure used to address severe misbehavior. Permanent exclusion is a last resort. Forms of exclusion. Exclusion can be physical or psychological, impacting a student's access to educational resources, social interactions, and overall participation in school life. It is a complex issue affecting social justice and equity. Key points. Exclusion leads to unequal social and educational outcomes. Specific groups, including marginalized communities and children in vulnerable situations, are particularly affected. Schools use suspension and exclusion as disciplinary measures, with a structured process for addressing and resolving behavioral issues. Promoting positive behavior and minimizing exclusion are essential for an inclusive educational environment. Exclusion in education. Overview. Exclusion in education encompasses more than just out-of-school children. It manifests in various forms, impacting life prospects necessary for learning, access to education, meaningful learning experiences, and the ability to contribute to society. Forms and expressions of exclusion. 1. Exclusion from life prospects needed for learning. Living in conditions inadequate for health and well-being, such as poor housing, food, clothing, and lack of security. 2. Exclusion from entry into school or educational programs. Schools or programs too far to attend regularly. Inability to pay for participation continuously. Competing life demands preventing school attendance. School closures or emergencies disrupting education. 3. Exclusion from meaningful learning experiences. Teaching methods not meeting learning needs or styles. Language of instruction not understandable. Negative experiences like discrimination, bullying, or violence at school. 4. Exclusion from recognition of learning acquired. Non-formal learning not recognized for entry into formal programs. Learning achievements not accepted for certification or further opportunities. 5. Exclusion from contributing to society. Learning considered of little value by society. Attended school or program perceived as low status. Limited work opportunities related to the learned skills. General discrimination in society. Barriers leading to exclusion. Economic and financial challenges. Family labor needs. Poor quality of education. Distance to schools. Inadequate facilities. Cultural perceptions. Occurs at various educational stages and transitions. Physical exclusion. Prevents full participation in society due to poverty, low education, or inadequate life skills. Limits access to jobs, income, education, and social networks. Distances individuals from decision-making bodies. Psychological exclusion. Being physically present at school but unable to access the curriculum, friendships, and other ordinary experiences. Holistic educational reforms needed to address diverse learning needs, such as bilingual instruction and community involvement. Differences between physical and psychological exclusion. Physical vs. psychological exclusion. Aspect. Physical exclusion. Psychological exclusion. Definition. Exclusion due to economic, social, or physical barriers. Exclusion while physically present but unable to engage fully. Barriers. Poverty, low education, inadequate life skills. Inability to access curriculum, friendships, or experiences. Impact. Limits job, income, education, and social opportunities. Hinders meaningful participation in school life. Examples. Living far from school, financial constraints. Negative teacher comments, incomprehensible instruction. Solutions. Improving accessibility and reducing financial barriers. Holistic reforms addressing diverse learning needs.